Hi, 8th grade scientists. This is the weekly agenda, the weekly preview for week 6. We're starting the periodic table. This should be completed September 21st through the 27th. All right. Weeks 2 through 5 were intro to chem, and those should all be finished at this point. We are leaving that open until September 30th, and then we are going to close it out. So this week should be pretty brief for periodic table so that you have a little bit of time to finish up anything from intro to chem that you need to finish up. Okay? So again, the first thing you want to do is look at the week at a glance, and also hopefully this video. This gives you an idea of what you should be doing each day. It's just a suggestion. You could work on everything in one day and get it done. That's fine, however you want to do it. But you're looking at the cohort R column, excuse me. All right, then you're going to hit next. You're going to go on to the next assignment, which is a discussion board. In this discussion, you are watching this short video. It is very cool. It is taking a look at some alkali metals and how they react with water. So you are answering the prompt, what do you think's happening in the demo and why? So what's happening with those metals? You're going to hit reply down here. Once you reply, you'll see your other classmates' replies to that. The next is your PT1 video notes. You are going to click on this link, make yourself a copy, fill in the notes while you watch the video. So down at the bottom, I have how to submit your work again, and I'll probably link up how to do your notes as well. But you're going to watch that video, remember, and you're going to have that video in one screen and the notes in the other. Split your screen and go ahead and do the notes at the same time. You should not be Googling the answers. All of the answers are right in this video. Miss Ludwig is giving you that information this time. Then you're going to do your Quizlet to review the vocab that are in PT1. So all of these words are the main science words in that section. Make sure you practice your flashcards or a quiz, and then submit your screenshot of the test results. Next up, this is a different assignment than we've done in the past. In class, if you were face-to-face, we would be color coding the periodic table and learning about all the different groups that are on there. It is grouped a certain way. So you obviously won't be doing that. So you're going to do a couple things for this particular assignment. So the first part is to click on this PBS Interactive. It's going to pull up a periodic table. You're going to click on the launch with this I button here. You're going to click on the interactive table. Anything you click on, let's say I click on niobium, it's going to give me all kinds of information about niobium. If I click on these groups at the bottom, the color key, it's going to highlight the different groups. For instance, these are the noble gases in green. You need to know those names. So then the second part of this assignment is to open up this periodic table drag and drop activity. It's going to have you make a copy of that, and I already have a copy. And then based on your interactive, the PBS Interactive, it will have told you what the different groups are. You can even go back and forth between this document and the PBS Interactive. But you're going to drag these names of the groups to the certain place. So for instance, I know that metalloids are these green ones that are on the staircase. So I'm going to put that there. Again, you might want to call this something else. You might want to put your first name in front of this so that you can find it in your drive to submit it right here by clicking Submit Assignment and finding it in your drive. Okay, just like you do the notes. All right, this is a little Pac-Man game. You can just use your first or last name, and it is a review of some vocab and how to use the periodic table. So you are looking at the words at the bottom. These are the outermost electrons in the farthest level from the nucleus. I know that those are valence electrons, so I'm going to try to get my little guy to go down to valence electrons and not get eaten by any of those little guys. Okay? So that's a fun little game that you're playing. Next is your quizzes. I'm not exactly sure why that's not coming up, but it will when you go to try it. We'll fix that. Make sure you do that as many times as you need in order to be familiar with the questions. This is your InstaVocab List 4. It's the last list for chemistry, and you are just practicing with those words. This is a video again of how to upload that. Please do not share. Please upload that on this page. And then you have your PT1 quiz. You should not take that until you have done the quizzes, the notes, and that should help you. Those all should help you get 100% on this quiz. All right. And that is it for the unit. Again, we're leaving some time for you to finish up any loose ends in the Intro to Chem unit. All right. If you have any questions, email your teacher, and I hope you have a good week.